If you're not aware of this, then let me tell you that UK is the third most favorite place for international students to do their undergrad and postgraduate courses after the United States and Australia. And this might keep you thinking that doing a course from a UK university is going to be super expensive and unaffordable. Well, it's partially true because actually there are few of the really cheap and affordable university in the UK to do your masters from. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 7 most affordable university in 2024. So make sure that you watch the video from the beginning till the end so that you can make a wise decision in choosing the right university for you. I come up with all such amazing content every week, so make sure that you show me your love and support by smashing the like and hitting the subscribe button because I come up with all such amazing content every week. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before I start revealing all the top 7 most affordable universities in the UK, let me set clear expectations. Don't expect the top university, for example, Oxford or Cambridge or UCL in the list because these universities that I'm going to tell you, you might not even have heard their names because they are affordable for a reason. On to number 7 is University of Cumbria. The overall rank for this particular university is 114 in the UK, which in my point of view is not that great, and that is the reason why this particular university is on number 7. As we proceed through the video, you will see that there will be universities on number 4 or maybe example number 5. Their tuition fees will be even higher than this particular one, but the reason why those universities were kept on number 4 or number 5 is because of their ranking and not just based on their tuition fees. So I hope it makes sense for you. And if in case you guys are interested in knowing where I got these ranks from, you can check out the description where I got it from Guardian.com's university ranking for 2024. If we take a look for the yearly fees for doing a bachelor's degree in this particular university, then it comes around 13,575. A postgraduate course, for example MSc or MA, will also cost the same amount of price, whereas an MBA will cost a bit higher for around £15,375. On to number 6 is Leeds Trinity University. By the way, don't get confused by the actual University of Leeds, which is really good university and also really expensive. This one you can say is like the first copy of University of Leeds. The overall ranking for this particular university in the UK is 97. Well, this particular university is not that bad as I made it sound like, but it's really good if you wanted to do journalism. So if you're someone who is looking to do a course in journalism, then do check out this particular university. Let's now have a look at the tuition fees. A 3-year undergraduate program will cost around £12,000 per year. An MSc degree will cost around £11,500. And if in case you want to do an MBA, then it will cost you around £12,500, which in my case is not that bad compared to University of Cumbria. On to number 5 is London Metropolitan University. The overall rank for this university is 85 in the UK. This university is quite famous. I have a couple of friends who did their masters from this particular university, and also if you compare the tuition fees compared to other big universities in London, then you will find out that it's quite cheap. So let's now have a look at the tuition fees. If you are doing an undergrad from this university, then our yearly fees will be £16,000. In case if you want to do your master, then it will be 16,500, and the same if you want to do your MBA from this university. On to number 4 is York St. John University. The overall ranking for this university is 78 in the UK. This university is not quite bad because the architecture is really good. It gives you the vibe of those ancient British university. If you have a look at the tuition fees for this university, then it's quite cheap. A year for bachelor's in this particular university will cost you just £13,000, and if in case you're doing your MSc, then it's going to be the same. But check this out, it's quite unique that doing an MBA is cheaper than masters or bachelor's, but I'm not lying, it costs only £10,800 for doing MBA from this university. So if you're planning to do your MBA from the UK, then might as well have a look at this particular university. Now we are approaching the top 3 most affordable university in the UK. So before I start telling you the top 3 if you are someone who is watching this video and have not yet subscribed to my channel, I really request you that hit that subscribe button right now because I come up with all such amazing videos for you guys every week, and it motivates me if I see the subscribe count going high. So please subscribe to my channel. So on to number 3 is University of Chester with the overall rank of 53 in the UK. If you have a look at the tuition fees, then undergrad doing from this university will cost you just around £13,450, and if you are doing your postgraduate, then it will cost you around £14,250, and an MBA will cost you a slight higher, which is £14,500. The second most affordable university in the UK is Coventry University Well, if you have a look at the tuition fees for this university, then you'll find out that it's not quite affordable compared to the one we saw previously. But the reason why I kept this on number second is based on the ranking. So it ranks 46 in the UK. And also this university is quite decent if you're looking to take courses in health professions, computer science, electronic and engineering and stuff like that. And I personally know a few people that did their masters from Coventry University, so it's actually not that bad. So the tuition fees for doing an undergrad degree from this university is around 16,800 to 19,850 pounds. Yes, you heard me right. It's going to be this high for international students. If you're looking to do your MSc, then it's actually 18,250 pounds. In case if you want to do your MBA from Coventry, so it's going to be more than 20,000 pounds. The wait is finally over. The most affordable university in the UK is University of Bolton. And if I tell you the ranking for this particular university, then you will be shocked. The overall ranking for this university is 30 in the UK, which is crazy. And not only that, Bolton as a city is very cheap to live. So that means that your overall expenses will also be really less. By the way, if you want to know the top 7 most cheapest place in the UK, then don't worry, I have already made a video out on that. I'll put a link in the description, you can check it out later on. Now let's have a look at the tuition fees for this university. Let me tell you, you will be absolutely shocked because it is really cheap. So doing an undergrad from this university will cost you just around 9,250 pounds. Yes, just around 9,250 pounds. Well, when I say just, I'm comparing it to other universities, okay? Doing a postgraduate will cost you 12,950 pounds. And doing an MBA from this university will cost you just around 14,450 pounds, which is quite cheap. So that's it from this video. I hope that you find this video informative. If you did, then I really want you to smash that like button. If you are someone who is watching this video for the very first time, then let me tell you that I come up with all such amazing content every week. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button because it really motivates me when I see those numbers going up. And that's what makes me keep on creating more such informative content for you guys. So with that being said, bye for now.